Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here to show off this little free uh, dungeon pack thing that I made for peoples to use because why not? I kind of want to make like a more in-depth one. Some friends of mine were working on a game with me, and we I made all these assets, and then they just sort of decided they didn't want to work on it anymore. And I don't know how to code, and they don't know how to 3D model, so neither of us can do this alone. Um, but anyways, so I figured I'll just pop these into the Unity store and let you try them out, and let you tell me what you thought. I have a few more assets that I can sort of smooth out and toss onto the Unity store as well, in a bigger package, maybe along with this stuff, and maybe turn it into like a paid thing along with. I'll make some more like different colored potions and yada yada yada. But right now, it's just a sort of modular thing so you can build a dungeon. So we got our floor asset here, and if I copy and paste it, we can put another one right there. The key thing is here is keeping everything all matching up, and the trick to that, because obviously, if I just take I don't know, maybe just a regular wall, I don't want to have to go in and just sort of and try and get everything to line up, and that's just annoying. So what you can do is if you go up into edit, which is out of frame for you, and you go down into snap settings, it'll give you this little window right here. And then in that little window, if you go down to the bottom left, if you select something, and then you click snap to all axes, it'll snap everything to the axis. The axis. Oop. I cannot speak or operate Unity today. Anyway, so it'll snap everything to the axes of Unity, and it'll be right there. So then if I click this, snap it to axis. Actually, oh, delete button. There we go. So and then I can copy and paste this guy. But if I hold down Control, it'll snap how I want it. So there you go. There's that. And then obviously, if we want the wall to snap to it, just click Snap Settings. Or there we go, and boom. So it's all pretty nice and smooth, just like that. And then of course, if you want to rotate, if you look at my snap settings, all these are how much you rotate it by, or how many increments you move each object. And so right now it's at 1 increment. These are 2 increments wide, so they will move half of a square right now. So and then rotation 90, because they're squares. There's no reason to have it other than 90. And if you hold down Control and we just rotate it, it'll go 90 degrees. It's invisible in the back there, just to minimize the amount of faces on the objects, because they are quite face heavy. Anyways, so and then we have there we go. Now we have a corner, and then we've got all sorts of assets. So if we go into the items folder, we got a barrel, and we can just sort of rotate that. However, they're not scaled to the same as the other voxels, or yeah, they're not scaled to the environmental voxels. It just sort of gives it a fun little look, like that. And we can just sort of put that in the corner, and then we got a box. So we got a box and a barrel. I'm gonna pop that right there. I don't know, we could have a heart. You could take the heart and, I don't know, let's see. Let's design a level here. You've pretty much seen how it works. You understand how to put everything together now, I should hope. So I'm just gonna build a little level for you. We'll go into walls, and we'll build a doorway. Put the doorway right there. We'll take it and I forgot to put the oops, that's fine. Shush. I didn't forget anything. What are you talking about? And then we'll take a door, and we'll snap the door. We'll bring it down. Put it right there. And then we'll put that part of the door right there, just like that. And then we got a little room, and then we got another room, and then we can take our I don't know, we can take an item, got a little gold bar here. We'll put a key at the end. There you go. Grab the key. You go in, go through the door. Boom. Magic, right? Of course, and then we have... that's the wrong folder. Of course, then we have some lava. So maybe we could put some lava over here. We can take this wall. We'll just copy and paste it because it's quicker. Just like that. Ding. Someone on Facebook is trying to get hold of me. Don't worry about it. So there we go. There we have that. And then if we go back into items, you know, we can pop a barrel off in this corner. See, it sinks a little bit into the lava. You know, that's cool. And then we can pop another barrel in right there, and then we can well, we'll move this closer. We got a little parkour puzzle, and then we can take the gold key. You can put it right there. You can hop around, but then, you know, maybe you fell in the lava, so you gotta heal up a little bit, or I don't know. Maybe that's not the kind of heals you want, so you want a little heart instead. A little fun little heart. Or I don't know, maybe those are like little heart pieces. Whatever you want. And then, and yeah, there you go. And then we got some gold inside the golden door. Little treasure. We got a few more walls. We can have, you know, grab this guy. We can put it right there. Just like that. We can have we can have a window. Snap settings. There we go. Nice little window. Just move it over like that. Just like that. So we have a little window looking out. And yeah, so that's that. That's pretty much everything. Did I forget? I mean, we have a large wall. You know, just to make things easier if you're making bigger things. I haven't bothered to make large floors or anything yet. Keyword. So yeah, so that's the basic gist of it. Let me know. I'm just clearing my scene here because this is just what I use to make and test everything. So I don't want any of this garbage in there. Actually, I just accidentally deleted the light, which isn't a big deal, but I like it. It makes everything look nicer. I don't know why I have a camera. So there you go. That's our that's the free little dungeon pack.